I hope you enjoy the video and be sure to use code Chevy in the item shop before purchasing any cosmetic items.
Get it. Yup. GG man. I'm insane. I'm insane. Woo! Now get it mocked. I like her legs up like chopsticks. Luxury in my optics. Your X-Men's on the out list. I'm validated to pop shit. I'm a high profile, 100 pounds. Flying down the aisle, blowing loud. Flex. I got a bad habit with bad habits. Beat the pussy up, stab at it. Diving in like I'm mad at it. Secure the bag, I need all six. Chopsticks, chopsticks, chopsticks. I love them chopsticks. Chopsticks, chopsticks. I'm in the chop, chop, chop. The finish. I walked out and threw the hard chopsticks. Finish that bitch. You finish him. Do that pump. That pump, baby.
Bro, one shot.
I got 25 rolled up on my dresser. 25, that one's in the function. Can I who wanna get drunk? B-Day, make everybody fall for your jealous. Bad thing on the ground to the BJ. I say bad bitch, 5 stars, bad bitch. Got you on, whatever you want, gotta have it. Fuck so good, that's talent. I pray for you, now that's balance. I run it up before the dry land. They talking about us, we wildin'. Hey! Bro, yeah, shoot. Woo. That shot was insane.
You know?
Yep.
Alright, alright.
I guess not.
Oh. Oh, nice.
Called it.
Woo!
That was just gonna be a dud, brother.
That was a nasty.
Oh, double kill, nice. Coming with you. Boy, what the hell is happening? Oh. I'm sorry. Can you take me the sniper, please? Thank you. Thanks. Oh, nice. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Oh, nice. Go, 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 revive me. I'm ready to get on the stuff.